Hey guys, so I've had a few requests to do a simple ponytail, and that is exactly what I'm going to do today. Now I'm not going to ramble on anymore, I'm just going to get straight into it. So I've brushed my hair out thoroughly and then I'm just going to tie it up into a ponytail. Then I'm just going to take a section of hair from underneath the ponytail and I'm going to leave it hang loose. And then I'm just going to tie the rest of the hair up with a grip. Once I have that section of hair out of the way, the next step then is to just create an infinity braid. So I'm going to take the underneath section, split it in two, and then I'm just going to take a strand of hair from the left hand side and I'm just going to create a figure of 8. All you have to do is cross it over one strand and under the other strand. So I crossed it over the left strand and under the right strand, and then I crossed it back over the right strand and under the left strand. Now you just want to keep infinity braiding until you until you reach halfway down the braid. So once I've finished the infinity braid, I'm just going to end it by tying it up with an elastic band. I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail and then I'm just going to hold that braid in place with another elastic band. And so that's it guys. Honestly, this hairstyle only took me about 2 minutes to do. It's so easy and yet it looks so nice and elegant. I think it's the perfect hairstyle for everyday wear, and especially if you're going to work and you would like to do something different and not too time consuming. I really do hope you liked this video. Let me know what you think about it in the comment box below. Give it a thumbs up, share it, and for those of you who are new to my channel, you can subscribe and that way you will always know when I upload. Bye!